Hey guys, Sean King, Mr. Fence Tools. I have another tool. You've got to check this thing out. If you build wood fence, stockade or any type of picket wood fence, and you're installing those pickets with a string line on top to line them up, man, that's old school. I got to show you this new tool. Check this out. We need to stop building fence like Granddad and start building fence like our kids will need to in the future. This is Mr. Fence Tools. So we've been using the straightaway for about 25 years. So this thing has been tested, let me tell you. Tons of different styles and designs over the years. Now we're down to this one right here. Check this out. This is the straightaway. This is a stainless steel, pretty heavy piece of steel. And there's a reason for that weight. So that as you run those pickets, that doesn't move this at all. We also have a tape measure built in, and there's even an instruction list on the side here that tells you where the post marking should be if you're marking your post top down prior to setting. This works great for that. Kind of gives the guys right in front of their face what the marking should be. You can also use this tool to mark your post. So we can use it to mark a bundle of posts before they leave the truck. Tape measures right here, straight edge to mark across the entire bunk of post, and then your locates and your marks are right here. But this is used from one picket over a section, and you run the rest of the pickets to it on the bottom. You got to see this thing in the field to really appreciate and understand how it works. So let's do that. Let's go use it. Come follow me. This tool is called a straightaway. We use this to run the top of the pickets to keep them even on top. But we also use this tool to mark these posts before they leave the truck. This will show you the markings depending on what the style of fence you're building. It's going to tell you where to put marks on the post. Okay, I use this as a straight edge, and I can look down there and see they're not all lined up. That's it. So right now those are all perfectly lined up on this end, not that end. I don't care about that end. Once they're all nice and even, I'm going to take this, turn it sideways, line up the right side or the zero mark, and mark my post. 27, 54, and 66 is my ground level. What's very, very, very important is as you move this down the line, you cannot just slide it. You have to run the entire section, pick this up, and move to the next one, and move the whole system. You cannot slide it because this fence changes direction at every one of these intersections of rails. Every one of them changes direction. We have to match that. So we have to make sure this is on every post, and this goes from post to post. Now, before I back nail this is what I'm talking about not using a level. If you guys can look here, this edge of this picket is parallel with this post.